Hi everyone, I'm Colleen from Custom Maid and I hope you're doing well. By now we are well aware of the COVID-19 situation. Due to these circumstances and in order to keep our clients, employees, and their families safe, we have temporarily suspended our services. Custom Maid will resume just as soon as it is determined to be safe. In the meantime, I would like to take a few minutes to demonstrate how you can keep your home safe and clean. To prevent the spread of disease, it's important to both clean and disinfect hard surfaces in your home, which means doing more than just a simple wipe down. I'm talking about counters, sinks, faucets, handles, etc. First, clean the surfaces with a rag and a mixture of detergent or soap and water. Just like washing your hands, this will remove germs, impurities, and dirt from the surfaces. Then, disinfect the area using a disinfectant that is marked as killing 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. To disinfect, spray the surface until thoroughly wet and let stand for 30 seconds to 10 minutes depending on the product. Read the label. Some products are even safe on granite, stone, and stainless surfaces. After it is set, rinse or wipe clean with water. If you're unable to find name brand disinfectants, you can make your own using 1/3 a cup of bleach to 1 gallon of water. Alcohol solutions with at least 70% alcohol can also be used. And make sure to launder your rags between cleanings. In addition, it's very important to clean and disinfect any surface that is handled frequently, such as door and drawer knobs, cabinet handles, light switches, microwave control panels, tables, TV remotes, backs of chairs, toilets, toilet handles, etc. To do this, you can simply use disinfecting wipes. If you don't have these on hand, you can use a disinfecting spray on a lightly damp rag. Just wipe the surface and allow it to air dry. Whenever you have finished cleaning, wash and scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds as recommended by the CDC. This step is very important to not only protect yourself, but others in your home. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay calm, stay healthy, and stay safe.